Swytch Max Plus. Transform your ordinary bicycle into a high-performance bike in just minutes with the Swytch Max Plus kit. Designed for simplicity and efficiency, this innovative system includes only 3 lightweight components: a front wheel embedded with a powerful motor, a smart pedal sensor, and a compact battery pack. There's no need for complicated tools or major modifications, just a quick setup and you're ready to ride. Whether you're commuting through the city or taking on longer rides, you can enjoy assisted speeds of up to 35 kilometers per hour. The compact design maintains your bike's natural feel while delivering the power you need when you need it. The base kit starts at just $729, making it one of the most affordable and accessible ways to electrify your cycling experience without compromising performance or design. Swytch Max Plus brings speed, convenience, and fun, all in a sleek, easy-to-install package that's built for every type of rider. MilKit Booster, a game-changer for tubeless tire fans. Ditch the bulky air compressor. This sleek, lightweight tool gets the job done using just your regular bike pump. Weighing only 150 grams, it's light enough to carry everywhere and compact enough to slide into a standard water bottle cage. Don't let its small size fool you. It packs a serious punch, delivering air pressure up to 11 bar, 160 psi, for a rapid, reliable tubeless seal. Whether you're trailside or in the garage, the booster is ready whenever you are. Just pre-charge it with your hand pump and unleash the air blast to seat your tire instantly. Best part? No electricity, no noise, just pure simplicity. Priced around $50, it's a solid investment for anyone looking to simplify their tubeless setup and always be ride-ready. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting into tubeless, the MilKit Booster makes inflation fast, easy, and hassle-free. Tannus armour. Engineered to sit snugly between your bike's inner tube and tire, Tannus armour drastically lowers your chance of getting a flat by up to 90%. Built from durable, 15mm thick cellular foam, this insert doesn't just cushion against impact, it also keeps your rim protected if you ride with zero air. That's right, even with a flat, you can keep pedaling without destroying your wheel. The foam absorbs shocks and deflects sharp objects that would otherwise pierce your tube. Tough and reliable, armor is trusted by riders who don't want to stop mid-ride to fix a puncture. Whether you're on the road, trail, or gravel, it adds an extra layer of defense without adding much weight. Each insert is priced at $40, an affordable investment in peace of mind and fewer roadside repairs. Yerka, a daring fusion of e-bike innovation and motorcycle power. Unlike traditional bikes, the pedals don't turn the wheel. Instead, they act as a throttle, regulating acceleration. This electric beast can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, giving riders a thrilling yet eco-friendly experience. One full charge takes you as far as 130 kilometers, making it ideal for urban commuting or weekend rides. Priced at $14,730, the Yerka isn't just a ride, it's a statement of futuristic design and cutting-edge tech. Whether you're pedaling lightly or cruising full speed, control and performance are always at your feet. Tarran T1 Pro, a cutting-edge cargo bike built to conquer demanding city hauls. With an impressive 220 kilograms payload capacity, it's equipped for serious transport. Thanks to its innovative retractable wheels and smart stabilizing system, heavy loads stay balanced and secure. The T1 Pro comes with radar and onboard cameras to detect and avoid obstacles in real time, keeping your ride smooth and safe. A vibrant 13 centimeters color screen keeps you in the loop with essential data like speed, distance, and battery life. Powered by a long-range battery, you can cover up to 100 kilometers on one charge, ideal for urban logistics or delivery work. Priced at $7,424, this e-cargo bike blends performance and advanced tech to redefine urban transport. Whether weaving through narrow lanes or parked on uneven ground, the Tarran T1 Pro delivers control, range, and reliability. Built for pros, made for the city. Yerka. Unlike any bike you've seen before, it's engineered to be theft-proof. Instead of relying on external locks, the bike's very frame transforms into its own security system. That means even if someone tries to steal it, there's no point. Breaking the frame renders the bike useless to anyone but its owner. So why bother stealing it? Plus, if you ever misplace your keys, no need to panic. Yerka allows you to reorder or even 3D print a new set straight from their website. Designed with security and simplicity in mind, this revolutionary bike eliminates the need for carrying around heavy locks. Originally launched on Indiegogo for just $399, the Yerka offers a sleek solution to one of cycling's biggest problems. Its innovation on two wheels, ride freely, park anywhere, and never worry about your bike vanishing again. Cruzbike Q45. Designed for adventure, the Cruzbike Q45 is a recumbent touring bike engineered to handle serious climbs and long-distance rides. It sports an 11-speed drivetrain, giving riders the range needed for tackling tough terrain. The rear suspension features a 165mm coil shock, smoothing out rough trails with ease. A standout upgrade is its lightweight adjustable resin seat, which shaves off 220 grams compared to the older aluminum version. Every gram matters on a tour. Whether you're exploring rolling hills or rugged backroads, the Q45 is built for comfort and efficiency. Priced at $3,697, it's an investment in both performance and ride quality that dedicated cyclists will appreciate. Convoy. At first glance, it might look like a standard bike trailer, but don't be fooled. This clever hauler packs a 250W motor that takes most of the legwork out of your ride. With powered assistance, you can cruise comfortably at speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour, even when loaded up. Its built-in battery delivers a solid 30 kilometers of range per charge, making it ideal for daily commutes or short urban hauls. Whether you're carrying gear, groceries, or kids, the Convoy turns your bike into a low-effort cargo machine. Pre-orders are now open, and it's expected to hit the market at around $2,500. It's not just a trailer, it's a smarter, smoother ride. Jyrobike. A unique training bike designed to help kids learn how to ride with confidence. Its standout feature is a special front wheel that contains a spinning gyroscope. This internal disc keeps the bike balanced, even when it's nudged or without a rider on it. That means beginners can focus more on steering than staying upright. You can even see it roll straight after a push, no hands required. The cool part? You don't need to buy a brand new bike to get the benefits. Jyrobike also offers its gyroscopic wheels as standalone products, so you can upgrade your child's current ride. The level of stability is adjustable too, giving just the right amount of help as skills improve. Originally launched on Kickstarter, it was priced at $129, making it an innovative and budget-friendly tool for teaching balance and coordination. It's like training wheels, but smarter, smoother, and way more fun. Mahle 40. Engineered for mid-range e-bikes, striking the perfect balance between power and efficiency. Weighing only 2.5 kilograms, this compact motor doesn't compromise performance. It delivers a robust 850 watts of peak output. Designed with intelligent features, the M40 includes a seamless braking system with integrated shutdown, ensuring smooth deceleration when needed. One of its standout innovations is Auto Hold, a function that keeps the bike steady on slopes, stopping any backward roll during uphill starts. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling hilly terrain, the Mahle M40 provides responsive support with a lightweight footprint. It's built to give riders confidence, comfort, and control, all in a sleek, efficient package tailored for modern e-bike demands. eBilly stands out as the ultimate repair stand for speed-focused workshops. This electric powerhouse hoists bikes at an impressive 10 meters per second, making it a true asset in fast-paced environments. Designed to manage bikes weighing up to 40 kilograms, it combines strength and agility with smart safety technology that guards against overloading. Whether you're servicing road bikes or heavier e-bikes, the eBilly ensures efficient, reliable support without compromising on safety. With its rapid lift system and intuitive controls, it's engineered for performance. Priced at $4,967, it's a premium investment built for professionals who value speed, safety, and precision. Gazelle Makki Travel. Meet the Gazelle Makki Travel, an electric cargo bike crafted for families on the move. It effortlessly combines the comfort of a city bike with the strength to carry up to 250 kilograms, making it ideal for everything from the daily school run to weekend outings. Powered by a reliable Bosch motor, the Makki provides smooth, quiet assistance and covers distances up to 85 kilometers on a single charge. Safety is front and center, with features like seatbelts for kids, anti-lock braking, ABS, and a low step-through design for easy access. Built with both rider and passengers in mind, it offers a stable, upright riding position and a thoughtfully designed frame that handles like a dream, even when fully loaded. Premium materials, smart engineering, and family-friendly extras make the $6,000 price tag feel justified. It's not just a bike, it's a smarter way to move. Bigniu BG03 isn't built for casual riders, it's engineered for thrill seekers. With an impressive 750W motor under the hood, this beast hits top speeds of 45 kilometers per hour, letting you blaze through the city like it's your personal racetrack. Whether you're commuting or just out for the adrenaline, the BG03 turns everyday streets into an urban adventure. A fully removable battery system powers your ride for up to 43 kilometers on one charge, so range anxiety won't hold you back. Its sleek design and high-performance build make it as stylish as it is powerful. Priced at just $1,000, the BG03 delivers exceptional value without compromising on speed or battery life. Designed for riders who crave performance and freedom, this e-bike is your ticket to owning the road. The Bigniu BG03, all electric, all attitude, and ready when you are. Cyclotron bike is set to skyrocket in popularity this October, coinciding with the release of a new film from the Tron universe. This innovative ride hides its chain, battery, and other components seamlessly within the sleek frame, giving it a futuristic edge. Unlike traditional bikes, its wheels are designed without spokes or tubes, freeing up extra storage space. Another standout feature is its lighting system, which automatically activates when it gets dark, enhancing safety and convenience. Riders can choose between 12 or 18 speed options, with gear shifts happening impressively fast, in just 0.22 seconds. Starting at $1,026, the Cyclotron offers advanced technology and style at a price point that feels accessible given its unique features. This bike is clearly engineered to impress both casual riders and enthusiasts who crave a blend of innovation and aesthetics. As the Tron movie generates buzz, expect the Cyclotron to become the must-have urban ride.